Meals. I'm Kimberly Titlebaum with Recipes for Success in partnership with the beautiful High Point Library. Now, sometimes what we like to have is a nice hearty lunch or dinner, but we are so short on time. So the dish we're going to talk about today is marvelous for that. It's called pasta e fagioli. But this is a quick and easy dish. Don't be alarmed because it seems like it takes a lot. This comes together so quickly. What we're going to start with is a cup of chicken broth. We're just going to pour that right into our bowl, our cup. Now once again, you always want to make sure that what you've got is absolutely microwave safe. Now we know it is in this case because we bought it and for that special purpose. Alright, next we're going to, I've already measured it out, 3 tablespoons of macaroni. Now I'm using shells, but you can use anything that has sort of a shape that all the gooey yumminess can kind of hide in. So we're going to put that in, just like so. We're going to add about a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, a little less maybe. And if you don't have Italian seasoning at home, all you need to know that Italian seasoning is primarily a little bit of garlic with basil and thyme, rosemary, marjoram, and sage. If you've got those independents around your house, you can just mix up your own. If you don't have all of them, as long as you have basil and oregano, you're good to go. Those are the most important. And so I've got my macaroni, and the last thing I'm going to add is the recipe called for chopped carrots. You know what? This is a time saver. I use shredded carrots. I always have it in my fridge because I use it in a million different recipes. So we're just going to put in 2 tablespoons of shredded carrots. We're going to give it a little bit of a sloosh, and it's not very pretty at this point. And what we're going to do is put it in the microwave. Now, this may bubble up a little bit, so we're going to make it easy to clean our microwave. We're going to put it on a couple of paper towels. We're going to put it in and let it cook for 2 minutes. Then we're going to stir it halfway through, and then we're going to put it in for another 3 to 5 minutes. While that is cooking in there, this is a good time to go to the next step. These are, I don't know how to say it right, it's cannellini beans, or white kidney beans, or navy beans. What I'm going to do is we're going to use about half this can, but half of what I'm going to use, you're just supposed to kind of coarsely mash up, kind of make a paste out of it. So this is a nice mixture of mashed up and whole beans. Next, I'm going to add my bacon bits. It says 2 tablespoons of bacon bits. I think I may have added a little bit too much. I like bacon bits though. How bad can it be? Then we're going to add a quarter cup of marinara sauce to this amount. Give this a nice stir. Now I'm going to check to see if our pasta's been cooked that nice. Oh, it looks like our pasta's nice and done. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the beans and bacon and the marinara sauce to this. And give it a stir. And put it back in for about another 2 minutes. But because this is kind of boiled up and out, I'm going to we've lost some of our herbs. I'm going to just kind of clean this up a little bit. 5, 4, 3, 2, What a marvelous hearty meal. Good cold spring night. You've got your pasta, you've got beans, it's flavored with bacon and herbs. Now something else you can do if you want, entirely optional. But if it's Italian, in my opinion, it's always going to be improved by adding a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Doesn't take a lot, but Parmesan gives it a little bit of a salty bite. Give that a stir. Wait another minute. Wait that minute, you'll be happy you did. And what you have is a delicious, cheesy, bacony, beany delight. And you're going to love it.